Testing strategy number 6. Go into this test prepared. Go in with a good night's sleep, a very good, nutritious breakfast. Have a great morning. Get up early enough that you're not feeling rushed and trying to get out the door. You know you've got a big test that day. So go forth and be prepared for it. And then also have the mindset of this test does not define who I am. This test does not define my character. This test does not define how smart or how good. This test is a moment in time. What can I do right this minute? So you want to go in well hydrated, great mindset, and you need to understand you're not meant to get every question correct. And there are going to be hard questions. There are going to be some easy questions. You got the know-how. You just take your time, take deep breaths, and work through it. If you like it, like and subscribe, and check out more at mathwithkaren.com.